Hello and welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on George here with me, and today we are going to talk about none other than Nokia 23 2020. Yes, 2020 22 की बात करें, Nokia 2322 की बात करें, Nokia 23 2020 की बात करें, तो कह सकते हैं कि ये it's a mediator phone out here. Yes, you can say that's a mediator phone. Why we say so mediator phone? If you see the phones in the Nokia 2000 series, 1600 series, or back then series out there, you will see these kind of variants only. But they were slightly heavier weighted phones out there. They were slightly heavier out there. And these variants, when we talk about this variant and the models after that, then we can say those variants were sleeky out there. They were very thin out there. They had very compact structure. And these are the mediator between them. They are not resembling to the next generation model, not the previous generation model. They are resembling to the mediator generation model. As the look itself suggests a different kind of a look. Now they have a bigger display, their compact keyboard out there, their keypad is very compact out here. Sleekiness can be seen a bit of sleekiness definitely. These are the things which we can see in this variant. When we talk about this variant, we can say this variant is a mediator and has a normal weightage, which is above 70, less than 90. Yes, they have less than 90, so they are not the next generation and not the previous one. They are a mediator, moderate weighted phone. Since they're moderated weighted phone, do they differ in the size? No, they do not differ in the size. They still offer you 1.8-inch screen size. Total the size is 1.8. But this 1.8-inch screen size has been divided differentiatingly. Now you will see that the keypad is compact. Yes, they have been slightly compact, and the display has slightly enlarged itself. Yes, earlier it was this much. If we say that it was very tiny display size, now they have slightly increased. So we can say there is slight increment in that. The resolution capacity remain the same, that is 114 out here, as well as you will see that it offers you 4 MB RAM. Yes, 4 MB RAM, that's slightly less, but a good back then variant because evolution was taking place. There was innovation out there. They were trying to even evolve it through a very series of things. Now, talking about 4 MB RAM, is it sufficient to have 4 MB RAM for 1000 entries? Like it offers you 1000 entries in phone book. So, is it sufficient or not? So, to add on to that point, I would like to add that it did not have any external storage capacity. Yes, that was a major drawback to this. It did not offer any external storage capacity. Whereas you will also not find there are many changes to this variant as it does not offer you the camera, selfie camera or any kind of camera out there. As well as it did not offer you 3.5 mm jack. 3.5 mm jack is also not out there and you will get to see that you will not see 3.5 mm jack, but there is a possibility and there are evolutions out there. So it is having 2.5 mm jack. Yes, when we talk about 2.5 mm jack, most of the Nokia series phones had 2.5 mm jack, and whereas there were phones which tried or which were evolved to have 3.5 mm jack, so there are chances in future that Nokia will have a better variant. So this variant had 2.5 mm jack out there. Having a 2.5 mm jack, Bluetooth of V2 as well as stereo type speakers, FM out there, it did not offer you any connectivity. Yes, WAN connectivity, NFS, GPS connectivity, infrared port connectivity, USB connectivity. These kind of connectivities were not seen out there. Whereas you get to see that the technology used in this was GSM technology as well as offering you a low quality or we can say not a very upgraded one browsing history, but yes, a low variant one. Java was possible, games were possible, you could organize, you could have voice memos, recordings, everything was possible. It offers you a battery life which was about of 1000 mAh battery life. Yes, 1000 mAh battery life could be seen out in the variant which is none other than our very own famous Nokia 2322 out here. Yes, when we talk about this variant, we can say that this variant do offers good kind of, we can say, featuring and good kind of things out there. Because offering good things out there, we can say that the variant do offer out something which was really good, which was really nice, which was really a great variation out here. Talking about this variant, there was the evolution to this variant. There were changes out in the variant. When we say this variant has changes, when we had already seen a different variant to this, that was to we can say the Nokia's variant out there, which had a camera. Yes, when we talk about Nokia's variant, these are few variants which have been evolved, which has better things out there. So you can see there are much similarities in the structure functionality. If we talk about the structure, the frontal structure might look same and was really a good version, but when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this variant and compare it with the other variants, it lagged some things which are very bad out there. That is a camera. So might be it might look same from the frontal side, but is different from the back side. Definitely, the back defines a lot of things out there. So talking about this variant, talking about Nokia 2322, we can say that it is available on very limited sites, and one of such site is available with us. And for that, all you have to do is go on Google and type phoneZone.ae. Yes, on Google you have to type phoneZone.ae, or you can also go in the description link. Apart from this site offers you n number of gadgets from the category of these famous reputed brands, as well as this is a search icon which helps you to search your favorite gadget out there. So I am typing this gadget. So let us wait for the results. Talking about this variant, the result is out and we can see the results out here. When we talk about the results, this is a description box out here which has mentioning of everything out there. Everything has been mentioned out here. You can check this out. When we talk about this variant, there is a condition written over this. This is refurbished condition. Yes, we can read out the condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about refurbished condition and see how they are different from the brand new, whether they are similar or not, whether refurbished products are good enough or not. So let us know about refurbished and then we can move ahead with other things. Talking about refurbished product or a brand new product, or talking about something which are absolutely quite similar out there. So let me tell you, the refurbished products and the brand new product, they are not much similar, they are not much dissimilar. Why we say so? Because the brand new product goes through a phase which involves just the company, the main company, the original company out there which has manufactured it, or the base point. Then it comes to the agency or the marketplace out there, whosoever is the retailer. Then it goes to the users. Yes, this is the main process for brand new. Whereas when we talk about the refurbished product, it has been an addition to it. Yes, it is an addition to it. Like brand new ends at the user itself, whereas refurbished adds on from here, like company, marketplace, user. Then what happens? Then user wants to give it back or does not want to use it. So that has been pre-owned phone. It goes back to an agency, a marketplace, a place where it can be valued, it can be tested out there. Then it is given a certificate, it is tested out there, it's certified, it's published on the site, and then it is again given to the users who wants to have that phone, who wants to have that variant out there. So this is an addition. That's why we say that refurbished products are like new. These are newly liked products, these are newly liked brands out there. So this is an addition to brand new products. Talking about addition and subtraction out there, what are these additional points of it, or I can say what are the parameters which are based on the certifications, how we certify them, how we test them. So they are absolutely same. They are exactly the way how brand new products are tested out and how we test out the original products. They are also original out there. If we talk about refurbished products, they are absolutely original products. How we say so? There have been a list of parameters, like we get to check their quality. Quality is checked out on the basis of the external and internal factors. Talking about the internal factors, we can say the internal factors involves the operating system. Yes, the operating system it has inbuilt in it. If it's for Apple, it has to be iOS. It's for Android, then Android operating system. Any other operating system, it has to be checked. The CPU, GPU out there, the infrared ports, the Bluetooth connectivity, hotspot connectivity, WAN connectivity out there. Then you have to be checked that SIM is recognized or not. You have to be very sure about the SIM recognition. You have to be very sure about the internal capacity of that, external storage capacity, internal RAM out there. As well as there is an internal factors which involve the checking of the colorization, data wiping, the LCD screening, the captive screening out there, the touch screen. जितने भी internal factors होते हैं, all the internal factors which are involved in it. Then when we talk about the internal factors, they have to be checked very precisely with the processing systems out there, with other gadgets out there. Then we come to the next point, that is the external factors. External factors involves the main outlook, we can say, or the factors which we can see through our eyes. Yes, like we can see if we have a gadget, whether it is a proper size or not, whether it has scratches or not, whether the buttons built in it are working or not, the touch is working or not, the camera quality, video quality, audio quality out there, whether when we do a phone call, whether the calling is going correctly or not. Everything which can be externally seen has to be checked. As well as the battery has to be checked, whether it's taking charging or not. Everything whichever involves. All the factors which makes a gadget a proper phone from brand new, like how a brand new phone is tested out on every side. Those tests are also for the refurbished product. When these tests have been done, when we say that these tests can be done and these are verified, then we see them as refurbished or a certified refurbished product. So they are the same out there. Now let us talk about the benefits, because there are few benefits of refurbished products over brand new, and why you should you can prefer brand new, or we can say why brand new products are quite good for the people who have issue with the highly expensive phones out there. Number one, if we talk about it, is the savings. Savings, one word which says itself. You get up to save a lot of money out there. Yes, when we talk about brand new products, they are slightly expensive out there, whereas the refurbished products are quite less expensive. So there's a difference out there. There is slight difference in their pricing, so they give you a savings. So savings to हो गई. How about the pricing? How if they differ, whether they're pocketable or not? Yes, they are pocketable rating out there. Yes, when we talk about refurbished products, they are so pocketable. They are absolutely pocketable rates out there. And when we talk about these pocketable rates, these don't just only offers you a good pricing for your favorite gadgets, but a warranty period too. Talking about the warranty period, we have seen that once a phone has been pre-owned, it usually do not get the warranty period. We do not get the warranty of that gadget. We do not get to see the warranty of that gadget. But definitely on the site where it is conditioned out refurbished, and especially in this site which we are talking right now, which I just took you out, offers a 6 months warranty as well as offers you 7-day exchange policy. So these are the two additional benefits of this site. Yes, of this site, especially if I talk about, these are the two additional benefits. 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy can be seen out here. Talking about the site out there, what else do you see on this site? I'm going to take you to the site and we are going to see how other benefits you can have from this site. So I have taken you to the site, and as you all know, the site name is phonezone.ae, which I'm highlighting right now. This is the site name, Phone Zone. As itself, the word says, phone zone. It's a zone of all the phones, or a place, or a location where every kind of gadget could be seen. Talking about this variant about which we were talking, we had seen that it offers you 6 months warranty and it offers you 70 exchange policy. Already I told you that. Apart from that, COD and free shipping can be seen on this site. Yes, you can see COD and free shipping also. Apart from this, one additional or one good thing about this site could be said, it offers you 100% original products. Yes, it offers you 100% original products out there. And also, if we talk about this phone zone site out there, we can say that this site usually gives a delivery within 48 hours. Yes, in most of the parts of UAE, you get to see delivery within 48 hours. That is free shipping. Whereas in Saudi, it might take up to a week. And but the shipping is definitely free out there, as well as you might also see that there are various factors which are involved in the packing and everything. You get to see a perfect packed box with all the documentation and necessary accessories out there, all which have been listed by the company itself. So these are the few important points regarding the site. And if you like to order, you can place the order online or call on the executive helpline, which is in the description box. Link has been given in the description box. All the details have been given for ordering. You can place your order out there. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.